Hey guys, welcome to Puppet Talk's new segment, Parts Bin. Oi, you got the wrong bin there. Ah, that one. In this segment, we'll be unboxing and reviewing various automotive parts for the average car owner. You guys remember me yapping on about how loud my 2007 Toyota Innova was? Yeah, this one. Up. It's very loud. Very loud. Today, we'll unbox the fix to that annoying sound from that engine. The highlight of today is the Carrozzeria sound insulation. You might not have heard of this company before. Well, maybe. But I'm sure you have heard of Pioneer. Yup, that Pioneer from Japan that makes this, and this. Well, guess what? Carrozzeria is one of their subsidiaries. One of many. So let's have a look. Alright guys, so let's have a detailed look on what's going on with our insulation here. So in general, there is 3 different layers. Of course, this first layer is just paper that stick to the adhesive layer. Second would be the aluminium, that's the shiny bit that you can see here. Okay, and then there is this base butyl layer. Okay, this would be the elastic gooey material, as you can see, right? So this gooey sticky material is applied to flat metal surface, which would be our car surface, to add mass, and this mass makes it more difficult for sound energy from outside from vibrating the said doors or panels, hence reducing the sound in the car. So guys, we will definitely be testing out this insulation and see whether it dampens the sound as it claims. If you want to know what happens next, don't forget to subscribe, share and like our videos. It'll definitely help. And if you have used this insulation, drop a comment down there